Tucked away at the north end of San Antonio's action-packed, beautiful, and oh-so-popular Riverwalk is an almost hidden throwback to the Alamo City's saucy past, the Esquire Tavern.
I like that it feels like an old-timey saloon.
This intimate speakeasy opened its doors on December 5th, 1933, the day carousers around the country raised a glass to the end of Prohibition.
Yeah, can you imagine what a fun place this would have been to be?
Pull up a stool, grab a drink, and get lost in the Esquire's colorful past, complete with many of the original booths, pressed tin ceiling, and one really long bar.
At 110 feet long, it's a damn long bar.
It's a big one. Plenty of space to fit in all the fun.
You know, it's been around a long time. There's been a lot of drinks had on this bar top.
Old world charm, taxidermy on the walls, and one of the best views on the Riverwalk. This historic tavern is said to be haunted. One skin-crawling trip to the attic revealed.
I saw red eyes pop out, and I jumped up and ran back down.
Little tiny red eyes, or like eyes?
They weren't too tiny.
Whoa.
But that didn't scare Chef Brooke Smith away. She's been whipping up sophisticated, made-from-scratch bar bites since the Esquire reopened in 2011.
I'm not even hungry, and I'm going back for a second bite. Get it.
The palate-pleasing mix of appetizers includes deviled eggs, shrimp toast with tangy goat cheese, and spicy pepper jelly.
Everything is done in-house here, which is pretty amazing.
And crispy chalupitas, corn tortillas smothered with refried beans, organic chicken, cheddar cheese, and salsa verde. For heartier appetites, try one of the irresistible, mouth-watering burgers.
I think they're always really good.
The Esquire's Bar has been nominated twice for a coveted James Beard Award.
But when people are coming to San Antonio, I think, just about every concierge in town will tell you, oh, you want to get a drink on the Riverwalk? Go to the Esquire.
You can get an expertly crafted classic.
I'm trying the mojito tonight, and it's excellent.
Or sip on a unique concoction like the Batman of Mexico. Crafted cocktails and food worth talking about is exactly what owner Chris Hill wanted when he bought the abandoned Esquire back in 2008.
I call myself kind of the reluctant restaurateur because I didn't mean to open a bar.
But he did just that after some thoughtful renovation.
We wanted it to have the old Esquire feeling. We are authentic, and I think we wanted to capture that.
One of the Esquire's newest additions is on a whole other level, literally. Downstairs at the Esquire opened 2 years ago.
The vibe is totally different. This is, to me, a little more intimate, laid back.
Yeah, it's definitely, a great loungy place to be able to kind of sit down, get comfortable, and really, enjoy what you're drinking.
Yeah, and have a conversation. There's a lot of intimacy down here.
And a lot of creativity, too. There are 10 signature cocktails that all use some form of non-GMO corn, from masa and homemade corn syrup to spirits and corn milk.
Oh, that's nice. Very tropical.
Even the menu is printed on corn paper from Oaxaca. The food down here is different too. Crispy organic fried chicken, fresh shucked oysters, and handmade charcuterie boards.
So you can see the ear cartilage.
Wow.
Around here, kind of gelatinous and sort of for people who are adventurous.
Another bite you'll love is the nostalgia-inducing bologna melt. You see it here with the fried egg, a dish inspired by the chef's childhood.
Butter?
2 thick slices of bologna are fried to perfection, topped with American cheese. A butter-grilled brioche bun is slathered with Dijon mustard and creamy house-made aioli.
If anybody knows me, they know that I like my sandwiches saucy.
Kind of saucy to match your personality.
Yes, exactly.
I like that. That is really good. I'm loving it.
More than 80 years after it first opened, the Esquire is still a hit on the Riverwalk.
It was amazing. We loved everything. We'll definitely be back. This is going to be a new spot for us.
Well, cheers. To another, 80 some odd years? 180 and beyond?